Israel launched 3 waves of retaliatory strikes on Iran with a codenamed Operation Days of Repentance. This attack involved over 100 Israeli aircrafts flying over restricted territories to reach Iran. Ultimately, Israel destroys Iran's crucial military defense. 3 variants of Israeli aircrafts were used for this operation, which were F-15 ground jets, F-16 air defense jets, and F-35 fighter jets. Each variant had its own objectives. On October 26, 2024 at midnight, these jets took off from multiple military bases throughout Israel. The Israelis took preparations to travel a staggering 4,000 kilometers back and forth over their adversary zone. On top of hundreds of combat aircrafts, 2 to 3 tanker aircrafts were involved to refuel those fleets of jets. Let's not forget that the Israelis also neutralized air defense threats in Syria and Iraq to avoid getting targeted. They were also ready for dogfight in case the Iranian air forces targeted them. The first wave of this operation struck Elam, Khuzestan, and Tehran, where air defense headquarters and radar installations were shot down. The second wave targeted ballistic missiles, and the third one wrapped it up by destroying military manufacturing industries. It is likely that Israeli air forces achieved these attacks without flying too deep into Iran's airspace. Entering Iranian airspace poses increased risks to the Israeli Air Force in terms of fuel efficiency and overall safety, as Iran possesses advanced anti-aircraft missile systems capable of significantly threatening Israeli aircraft. While there is no documented evidence, let us consider a scenario in which Israeli air forces did not venture far beyond Iran's western border. Israel's main weapon of choices involved the long-range Golden Horizon supersonic missile and the ROX ballistic missile. ROX is an autonomous extended standoff range next-generation air-to-surface missile developed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, designed to engage high-value stationary and relocatable targets. The missile is particularly effective in GPS-denied environments. For navigation and target acquisition, ROX uses a combination of inertial navigation system, GPS, and an electro-optical seeker. The terminal guidance employs scene matching technology or anti-radiation homing to ensure target destruction, even in scenarios where GPS is compromised. The ROX can be launched from an F-16 or F-35. Notably, the crew has options to control and maneuver this missile directly to the target. For long-range attacks, the Golden Horizon supersonic missiles were deployed. These missiles are specifically designed to be carried only by F-15 fighter jets. The Golden Horizon missile's range and supersonic capabilities make it particularly effective for striking distance and high-value targets with precision. If the Israeli Air Force launched their attacks from within Iran's borders, it's likely they used ROK missiles for closer, nearby targets, and deployed the longer-range Golden Horizon missiles to reach targets within Iran. This approach would allow Israel to strike both immediate threats near its borders and distant strategic sites, leveraging the differing ranges and capabilities of each missile type to maintain operational flexibility. 4 Iranian soldiers were killed during the process of this attack. However, all of the Israeli aircrafts managed to make it back to the base unscathed. This concludes the calculated retaliation for the October 26, 2024 attack on Iran by Israel.